Meanwhile, Dr. Smith has lauded the work of the Highway and Traffic Division for their efforts in reducing road fatalities so far this year when compared to last year and the previous years. Since the start of the year, Head of Traffic Senior Superintendent Calvin Allen said his division has recorded 91 road fatalities. Last year, this time, 120 road fatalities were recorded for the same period. On Friday, police were seen all over the corporate area and in St. Catherine conducting spot checks. Motorists not wearing their helmets and persons not wearing seatbelts were number one on the police radar. According to Dr. Smith, these two areas are major concerns for the MAJ.
Vehicle accidents. We in ENT and head and neck, we see patients with facial fractures from bike accidents and motor vehicle accidents almost on a weekly basis.
Dr. Smith is also reiterating calls for persons to be careful about driving impaired on the nation's road.
Influence of anything that impairs your coordination, your concentration, and your judgment. And alcohol certainly falls in this group, and so too things like marijuana and actually being tired. So we have certain people who they're partying and then they're driving tired.